Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the latest video. This is an in the post video and this is in the post number 65, and I'm starting off of all the stuff that I've got to show you. This was the only one that had actually stamps on it, so there's the stamps. There's the stamp collection bag. If I just take that up a little bit, that's a stamp collection bag, and all of them are obviously gratefully received. Right, talking of stamps, the first thing we're going to look at is this. This is the latest first aid cover, and it celebrates 170 years of forecasting the weather. How they got the nerve to do this I don't know, because they more often than not get it wrong, but there will not be winter storms, there will not be a hurricane, and they will bring up lots of trees in the 1980s. And poor Michael Fish, was it Michael Fish, who got it who was given the wrong information, and he was made to look a fool of himself a little bit, but there you go. This shows all the different broadcasts, all the different sites of weather forecasting that we have in the UK, and there's also a set of postcards there. So what I'll be doing is I will do a review of this, and I'll use the postcards to show you what the stamps actually look like. So that's the first thing. Oh. Second thing. You know, I said in the last video that I had some pre-decimal stuff and some decimal stuff to help me with my date runs. Well, there's a few more bags. They came in as separate. I think I bought a lot of 150 and a lot of 140 or 160 coins that were pre-decimal and decimal coins. So they will go into my date runs, and the pre-decimals will go towards my date hunts, my pre-decimal coin hunts. The other new one, and this is a brand new one, this is the RNLI. I'd bought the coloured coin. I didn't even know there was a coloured coin for on sale, to be honest, but I did buy it from the only place I could get it was on the Royal Mint website. The blue card RNLI, I do have a couple more copies of this coming that will go into things like my blue card folder, will go into my 50p date run. And just a quick for your information, I am currently going through my albums, and I'll be doing an update of the 50p's, the strike your owns and the blue cards to begin with, and then I'll be doing, at a slightly later date, the £2, £1 coins, and then my date runs themselves, the decimal date runs. So that's some stuff to come in the very near future. Certainly the strike your owns, the 50p's and the blue cards. Lastly, my friend Bo from Wales, from Welsh Wales, he goes to the mint an awful lot. He lives not far from the mint, and he told me that this year's country coin has come out. Now every year they used to do a £20 coin from Wales, which was slightly smaller than this one. This is a £5 coin, and last year there was a bit of controversy because they did all 4 countries without releasing anybody. Now the problem with this is, as far as a lot of collectors are concerned, unless you know somebody who goes to the mint on a regular basis, or you visit the mint yourself, you cannot get these coins. They are not, you cannot buy them through their website. So it's a bit of a controversial subject with coin collectors, because I'm extremely lucky. I have Bo, who I talk to on a regular basis via the web, and he tells me that these coins are coming out, or if he's seen them, because they aren't advertised as such. And he said, there's a new one out, do you want it? And I went, yes please. So we'll be doing a review on that as well in the next couple of weeks or so. So that is this lot's video for the what do they call it, in the post. It wasn't very heavy, but I wanted to get it out to you to show you what was upcoming and what I've got. So if you enjoyed this, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you are buying coins, then I hope you can buy coins for the price you want to pay. If you're having a hunt, I hope you can have a successful hunt to find the coins you're looking for. I do 5 videos a week, although I have been doing just recently 6. I am trying to update my subscriber lists. I do want to try and hit 425 by the end of this year. At the moment I'm just shy of 280, I think it is. So I do need help. So if you believe I deserve it, could you please also subscribe to the channel. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for staying to the end, and bye bye. Ta-ra now.